I a student. A is. B am. C are. D be. Yes, you are right. Answer is B am.
They playing football. A am. B is. C are. D was. Yes, you are right. Answer is C are. She to school every day. A go. B goes. C are. D going. Yes, you are right. Answer is B goes. My favorite color is A black. B pink. C blue. D green. Yes, you are right. Answer C blue. We are homework last night. A do. B does. C did. D doing. Yes, you are right. Answer C did. I breakfast every morning. A eats. B ate. C eat. D eating. Yes, you are right. Answer C eat. He the car yesterday. A washes. B wash. C washed. D eating. Yes, you are right. Answer C washed. It is very today. A hot. B cold. C rain. D windy. Yes, you are right. Answer a hot. She a beautiful dress. A wear. B has. C have. D wearing. Yes, you are right. Answer B has. They at the park now. A are. B is. C was. D be. Yes, you are right. Answer a are. The opposite of hot is a warm. B cold. C cool. D heat. Yes, you are right. Answer B cold. Birds can. A fly. B swim. C hop. D crawl. Yes, you are right. Answer a fly. We use it to write. A pencil. B book. C ruler. D eraser. Yes, you are right. Answer a pencil. The sky is a red. B yellow. C blue. D eraser. Yes, you are right. Answer C blue. I drink when I am thirsty. A water. B food. C paper. D juice. Yes, you are right. Answer a water.